tired of dull and messy packaging that does not reflect your brand's quality or makes your product break in transit? Well, this is where Cubion Pak comes in, so we can say bye-bye to this bad product. Cubion Pak, our crinkle paper that is customizable to your brand's color, and we have it in over 100 vibrant colors. This will instantly make your brand present much better, and I'll show you how. It instantly adds color, texture, and clean professional look. And what's also very important, it secures and cushions your product while transit. So this is what your customer sees when they open your package and have the first impression of your product, because the first impression is very important. This is made out of recyclable product. As you can see, it's biodegradable, and after you use it, you just throw away and you don't have to worry about what happens to it in the landfill. Let your customer get surprised with what they have right underneath the beautiful crinkle paper. And like I said, it's not just packaging. It secures your product during transit, so no more damaged items or negative reviews. We help your brand shine, and the greatest thing about it is we have it in all kinds of different sizes, starting from 2 pounds if you just need a little bit of specific color, all the way up to 10 pounds, 44 pounds, and if you want to, you can order by pallet size too. Thousands of businesses has trusted Cubion Pak to secure their product and work with your brand experience. So if you're ready to do it, let our brand help you shine with your customers.